France. We sailed across the Atlantic Ocean to the Caribbean.
Caribbean. Oh, wonderful.
And then we went up to the United States.
Mm-hmm.
And then we came back down again. We went through the Panama Canal. So
In America.
Panama Canal separates South America and North America. And the Panama Canal goes
What's it
between the
called?
two. So you got North America and South America. And Panama Canal.
Canal is like ocean, I think.
So the canal, it used to be land, and they dug a canal. They
Artificial sea.
They dug a channel.
They dug.
Cut through the land, so that the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean you can go through. And we came across the Pacific Ocean to all the different islands.
Is there any natural canal? A natural canal? No.
No.
Every canal is made by human, I think.
What is made by humans?
Dig it by using machine, not formed by nature.
So the canal is artificial, made by
Artificial.
man.
Artificial
So they
way.
have pumps. They pump the water. We go through.
Is it the biggest canal in the world?
Yes.
Kanal itu kanal. Yeah. So hardworking.
From France,
Yeah, long ways.
They bought it.
but it's more sounds the great